Go yard. I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new guap, wear that thing. Bitches on my line, and you know.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Hi, how are you?
I'm not good.
Oh, okay. What's your name?
My name is Rita.
When were you born?
I was born on December 2000.
What is your nationality?
My nationality Indonesia.
What is your address and number telephone?
My address is Banda Aceh and my telephone number is 08775862454.
What is your religion?
My religion is Muslim.
Are you married?
Yes, I am.
What is your occupation now?
My job is teacher.
What is your problem?
I often have excess nausea and weakness.
When did the complaint start?
I have been feeling this complaint since 2 weeks ago.
Where is the location?
I feel pain in the right side of my waist.
How does the plant feel or what is the pain like?
I have extreme pain and issues.
When did you get the first time period?
I got my period in July on the 2005.
How many days it actually happened?
Actually, menstruated for 7 days.
When did you have your last menstrual period?
My last period was on Augustus.
Oh. Is there any problem during period like this morning?
Yes, I feel so much as of usually.
How many children do you know?
I don't have any children yet. I don't have any advance in pregnancy.
Have you had a checkup?
I have never had an examination before. You are the first midwife I have met.
Have you ever taken medication during menstruation?
I never take medication during my period.
Have you ever done a peg test before?
I have never done a peg test.
Set under complaints that you are experiencing, can we perform an ultrasonography or USG?
I am willing to do sonography or USG.
This is an examination of positive pregnant test.
Yes,
it is recommended that mothers eat additional nutrition food such as fruit and vegetable and up to custom milk so that the fetus experience good night.
thank you so much, midwife. I will do the advice that the midwife has given.
See you next time.
Thank you.